Here I have my new Bulbul. I named it Coco. So basically, I do not have a box to put her. We just rescued her the other day by someone I just gave it us because it was there and there was nobody feeding it. I never seen the mom going here, so we just took it and I gave her a meal like I give her chanas, which I smash it, and I give her rice. She eats fruits like apple, banana. The next video that I'll be putting is I will put okay for now because she on this wood if she stays on the stick, her legs will be paining for too long. She's still small, right? So right now I'm just put her this small kind of thing. You can see a bowl so that she can rest in it. She doesn't need to put any pressure. Yeah, you see. If you just need to show the finger as you open on. Yeah, the next blog I will put when I'll be feeding her. Yeah, thank you.